Okay, I'm in ChatGPT now. Let's paste here the prompt. As you can see, I'm a designer, open design system, who I am, what I need, and some information about my design system. Run it, and as you can see, generate all the information with H1 and H2 and H3. So this will help us after that to organize the information. Best practices, accessibility information. Be aware that not all the information that ChatGPT generate will be accurate for your needs. So you need to take it and reorganize it, rewrite it, and make it to your needs, that it will fit for your needs. Once here, let's use the HTML2 design plugin. Let's run it. It will make us take all the information from the screen. Let's close this one. Okay, so now we are in Figma. Let's run the HTML2 design plugin and this one here, and very fast it will take all the information that we generated in ChatGPT here, create us one frame. Let's move it. I will click Command X, Command V, and now let's get rid of this part. And we have all the information we need. We have the text, we have the component, and what I basically need to do is to create a beautiful documentation and combine the information that I have here with the information I have here. Remember again that not copy paste, you need to read the information that ChatGPT generated, fit it to your needs, and that's all. The process is very fast.